Guys, we'll have very nice salad today. I had 4 last eggs in the fridge. I took it and I boiled it. I had one last carrot. It was broken, but I boiled it. It's okay. I didn't have onion, only this half, maybe from 2 weeks before. And this chicken, last piece, it's boiled. And corn, guys, corn from 1992. We take it. The small pieces. Так. You also take like this shape and you take a plate. Plate because you will not do on the table, right? That's why you take a plate like this. You understand? That's how it works. Very easy. Goes chicken first. Like music. Just like this. You grate the carrot. Like this, guys. Cut onion, very, very small pieces. Okay, now goes again the layer of mayonnaise. Very easy to make. Nice. I like 5 points. I can tell you guys only one thing. Guys, this is nice.